So Cintoo gives us the ability for them to take the raw data, put it up in Cintoo so that they can get it back to the office for processing.
Okay.
And then once it's processed, we then take it, that processing, and upload it back up into Cintoo.
Right.
And then we're connecting ACC and then distributing that out to our clients and our teams across the country.
So it's very easy to integrate our ACC models with the Cintoo point cloud data and keep all that, like I said, in the cloud. And so we can do that comparison, we can do our scan to BIM workflow, and we can work with those models, analyze them, and develop them as we need to.
Cintoo helps us like share that data like very securely as well, because they are also active cases.
Right.
So we have to be really secure in how we handle that data.